guys, so y'all have been following along on how we have remade our master bedroom, and we could not end this makeover without upgrading our mattress because we were in dire need of a new mattress. I came across Lull and I am so impressed. So you get a high quality mattress sent directly to your door in this box, and you roll it out on the bed and it instantly starts to expand, which the kids got a major kick out of that. And we started getting such great sleep, especially Rex. He said that he is waking up in the mornings with less back pain, which is a really big deal. This has become such a special place for us. We can unplug, we can relax, we can, spend quality time together in a place that is comfortable. And it's just been so amazing, and so I had to share. So definitely go check it out. You will be getting the greatest night's sleep with Lull.